Dude, dude, hey.
Oh man, I don't know. It's supposed to give you points. I don't know why it's not.
I've done that before, Icky.
That's 7 Years Old by Lucas Graham. Yeah, that's his name.
Just get good.
Gamble one. Oh my. That's some stuff I don't understand. Oh my god, my dog is lined up.
What?
His
Really?
back's on the
That's
friggin'
crazy.
bed. Who did that?
A day, he got it immediately.
Did you? Oh my god, Day! That's
That was like the
amazing!
quickest third one.
All he needed was 16. He didn't get 16, but... Look, I'm dumb. I don't know scientific notation. I don't know nothing. Woo! Day! You got the best one, too. Please allow you gambling. You can't survive without it. What? What?
Oh no, it's the images one. Is it?
Yeah. Gamble your hex. That gambling, that gambling. That guy over there with the cowboy hat, he's in my chat. I know it.
The Pars.
I saw him in my chat. He's being a lurker. Hey, look over here.
Ready for some bingo? Here we
Gamble,
go.
what?
Lotteria. Eyes down for a line, then a 3x3 cluster, and finally a blackout. Good luck.
Okay.
Our first card is the shrimp.
He turned. Oh,
shrimp.
damn. Damn, that guy is
Cello.
built. I don't know how to say that. What do these kids say? It's giving him McDonald's chicken strip ads. Oh, donuts. Speaking of chicken strips, Taco Bell, they're gonna be releasing chicken strips.
Oh my god.
Yep. Your addiction.
The drum.
Crap. I just pinned someone's comment.
The dandy.
What the heck is a dandy?
Banker, I guess. I don't know.
The frog.
Crap, I'm so behind.
I am too.
Damn, look at that jig he's hidden back there.
Bingo.
What?
He got every single one. He like got them back to back to back to back. Just like that. Dang.
Got them Bloxy bingo exploits.
Superb.
Dr. Pepper. Okay, I can't.
They
I
only have
can't.
one card.
What?
Down for a 3x3 cluster, and then
I can't diss them. They got Dr. Pepper as their name.
the bottle.
A bottle.
Yeah, this one sucks. The canoe. Okay. Who would win
have a
every
canoe.
Dragon Ball 2 Z character or Grug? Grug. You only got the
Grug,
frog and the
100%.
cello.
The deer.
Grug.
I hate the deer. I hate it.
The umbrella.
Umbrella's kind of chill, honestly.
The party goer.
Party goer.
I don't like him.
The pirate flag.
Pirate flag.
No. I don't like the pirate flag.
Jinwoo. Yeah, Jinwoo. He's gonna level up.
The rooster.
Okay. Why do I have so many?
The star.
The star.
Just do cheat. Yeah, I see you dancing back there.
The
I
heart.
know.
The lady.
The lady.
The lady.
The tree.
Oh, I just clicked that when it said it.
There's so many different types of trees.
There's only
The mandolin.
just yeah. There's a lot.
Mandolin.
The fish.
I don't have it.
Guys, lock in.
I'm locking in right now.
The flag.
The flag. Okay.
I have one to go, and it's a woman with a sword.
The musician.
I clicked that.
Musician.
So good.
The bell.
I keep clicking the ones they call. Why the hell does that guy sound like that?
Any others?
What? They said yes. Go fight them. Go fight them.
Eyes down for a blackout. Sun.
You're still gambling. Creature of the night. I'm scared.
The farmer.
Gambling. Gambling man. Where the hell's my farmers at?
The cactus.
The cactus.
The arrow.
World's smallest violin, AJR.
Arrows.
Yeah. World's smallest violin could really use an audience. 1v1 me in Crow Garden right now, noob. I bet I got more money than you.
The crown.
The crown?
Bro, I can't even tell what's not marked off.
The brave.
Yeah, I can't either. This one sucks.
You need like a really good marker for this.
The skull.
Okay, bye HD. Bye bye.
The jug.
The jug. Where?
I had one.
The parrot.
This game's stressing me out.
The pine tree.
Oh my god, I need the devil.
The bird.
All I need is the
Nobody
devil.
knows the bird.
The heart.
I don't even have one.
I don't even have that.
I just need the devil.
The cooking pot.
Or the
The
rose.
cooking pot.
I need the devil or the rose. That's it. That's it.
I have so many twos.
Bingo.
You mothered.
How'd they call that so quick?
Bingo!
And
Two of them? They're probably spamming it.
Alright, I gotta check my
Oh.
well done. Congratulations.
What are you doing, little doggy? You doing okay?
That's
I think he's
the
doing
end of
okay.
the game. Stay tuned for our next game soon.
I have 6 cards at once, yeah. In real life you get 15 cards? Yeah, they give you giant things in real life. You can get as many as you want. Chat. Whoa. Oh. I think this game has a lot more worse things. They don't have that big of a player base anymore, so I feel like they should just keep whoever they can get. You ranked up?
Ready to begin
Spectator, hello.
with
I see you over there.
go. Eyes down for a row.
Alright, guys.
Then 2 rows, and finally a full house. Good luck. Our first number is, on its own, number 8. 2 and 1, number 21. 6 and 5, number 65.
Oh, I'm so late.
No, it's fine. It's British.
5 and 8.
This game does attack the soul. Stop gambling.
Okay, first is 8, then 21,
and 5.
then
number
65, then
Aw, dang
58, then 25,
Number 3.
then 3. Alright, I still wasn't able to grab my ranch.
Number
Damn.
18.
They hit on those jigs right now. You're not gonna be too late for this one. This one's slow. Modern Warfare? You're gonna make yourself go insane. Why? What's
I
happening?
love 52.
Just chucked a cheese at me. I'm sorry. All I said was you got to in a jig.
Number 51.
They look like they're nice jigs.
You make yourself go insane?
Number 56.
Why does it look like it's so blurry? It's not.
8.
What the heck?
1. Number 8.
You're speedrunning the first 3 chapters of Puppy Playtime. I wish you luck. That is insane to do. I haven't even played the first one. So, good luck.
30.
4 and 6. Number 46.
46! You two
I
are
hate
killing it with your dancing.
4 and 3. Number 43.
So true. That guy knows who he's talking about.
4 and 2. Number 42.
Back to back.
Wow.
cool.
7 and 2. Number 72. 1 and 2. Number 12.
Man, all these games have been getting super unlucky in.
We all are. Well, besides day 1 already.
Number 64.
Dude, that's a stack.
Dude,
That's sick.
8 and 7. Number 87.
that's wicked.
87. I don't like that number. Number's kind of cursed.
All the 8s. Number 88.
Bingo.
Anyone else?
Who said that?
Dude, I was so off from getting a bingo.
Bravo.
Why does he look silly?
I can barely even see him.
Eyes down for a second row, and then a full house. 4 and 9. Number 49.
49.
Come on, guys, we got this.
7 and 6. Number
Hi, Nova. How are you? It's nice to meet ya. We're playing some Bloxy Bingo. Not getting much luck, though, to be honest.
Number 89.
Got some nice entertainment in the background.
2 and 4. Number 24.
You got banned?
6 and 8.
They got banned?
88.
I mean, I'm not really that surprised.
Was it for
considering what he
spam?
said. I think it's because he told somebody to
Number 69.
unalive
Oh.
themselves.
Wow.
5 and 3. Number 4.
Everybody's just like, I wonder why. You got warned. Okay.
Oh yeah, come back.